Harrison here, and I want to walk through with you Make.com's new grid application. So if you click grid, it takes a little bit to load, but it's loading your entire organization here. So naturally, it will take longer, especially if you have bigger scenarios like this. So my biggest issue or challenge that I had with Make.com's grid is that this felt very overwhelming. So the first thing that I can see is that we can go ahead and zoom in. I don't have a trackpad with me, but I can go ahead and zoom in here. I click got it. I can see a grand scheme of thing, right? Understand data. So let's go ahead and click into one of these scenarios here. Cool. We can see the scenario. We can see the links, the application, if it's active, on demand, a lot of information, high level of your Make.com workspace. There you go. You can type in and find anything there. Let's go from chaos to clarity. This is the biggest feature I feel in the grid updates. So for example, as you can see, everything is quite overwhelming over here. So if I go ahead and zoom out, you can see a bunch. There's a lot of maintenance I need to do in my Make.com. Let's go to active scenarios. Voila. You see all the active scenarios there, and then I can go in and start working from there. The next thing is the dark mode right here, dark mode and light mode. So work through the tips, understanding a ripple effect, know what's connected. We went over that, but let's go over that one more time. Let's see what's connected. Nice. We can see what's connected here. And then the next tip, spot potential problems. Amazing. So as you can see, there's a bunch of problems I have in my scenario. Let's go ahead and see if we're able to manage that effectively. Okay, awesome. Then I can click in here. Credits. Great. I'm able to resolve that there. Next tip, select layer. Awesome. Let me zoom out here and see the types of layers we have in the scenario. Data layer. Okay, I have to click out. Operations. Okay, we probably have to zoom in a bit more. Unravel your next automation. You know that. Don't show again. Awesome. So let's see if we were able to stop scenarios. Nice. So I've been meaning to do this anyway, so I can go in and let's go focus on this one here. Edit layout. I know you can make this bigger now. Stop editing. Let's go on and continue. And we have this over here. And another cool thing, if you edit the layout too, you can kind of move this over here. So as you can see, there's only one. So I can kind of move that to how I like. And if you're working with a team, there's a lot you can see as well. So let's see if I'm able to troubleshoot it from the grid. Add contact to Hey Reach. Okay, let me check. Wicked opens up the logs there. Right, data source item. All right, so this, I don't think I have the right. So I can go to diagram, go here. So again, it doesn't have the right database. I recently moved my databases. I did not update it yet. Leads. Okay, let's go email. There is no email, that's why. Let's go over here, up, nose, close company, reasons. All right, so I know I need to update my emails here. Let's go to databases and components. Let's go to, do really not have, and I take away email. That don't make no sense. I did. Okay. For some reason, I must have deleted email. There we go. Let me go ahead and click out, click over here. There we go. Save, run, use existing data. So we have another error over here. Location. Let's see here. Let me refresh. And the location should be gone. I don't really need that. Kind of want it now. I don't know why I deleted it. Location. Let's go ahead and refresh. Where are you, location? Great. Did it even pull the location? Address. Yeah, there we go. Save. Run. Use existing data. no duplicates. Great, save. Save. Go back. And let's go back to the grid. I wonder if this will auto update. That'd be super cool. I doubt it will. Oh, nice. And so I can continue to the next one. All right, let's keep working along here. Whoa, all right. Let's go ahead and check. This is the perfect community post because I have a lot of stuff to go over after I changed up my database. All right. Hopefully we have existing data. I want to see what's going on here. 7. It might have been. Let me see. Use existing data. Okay, it was because time error handles error handling. So it's a bump here. Payload email. Let's go refresh. Remember, emails are also unique identifiers. Let's go email. Might need to just put this back in. Kind of confused here. Deals. Okay. I don't know why there's not an email there. Deals. There should be an email. What it is what it is. Email. Okay. So now let's go ahead and refresh. Emails. Okay, that should be good to go now. However, I'm going to ask, I was experimenting with Notion AI stuff and it did some pretty destructive stuff, so be careful about that. Fill in all the emails for these deals. They were deleted. This is making sense because it must have been deleted and it just knocked off a bunch of things in my automations. Just make sure the emails are good. We find emails. So I found the source problem. I deleted an email variable in Notion, and Grid is helping me figure this out and go through it systematically. So once this all populates, I'll be able to turn on the automation. Should be able to work okay. I'm going to tell it, look in people. All right, let's go ahead and run this now. All right, so it's working again. Very shortly, I should be able to check. And yay, it's working. So I'm going to go through these systematically, but this is some great features about the grid view. I like that I can see an overview of everything. I'm able to tackle all the scenarios that are broken and go from there. I can go into the scenario folder. I think the filtering is the most powerful thing. Hopefully this helped walking through it and also doing a live demo. And until next time.